Okie dokie, so we are going to do some adding, and so the way this section is going to work, a bit different to the last section, we're going to work on some questions together, and then some questions will be the questions that I want to see you do independently and to give a shot. Now, if you don't get it right, it doesn't matter, we just redo it after, so don't stress, but those ones just I won't do the working out for, okay? So we're going to start with question 1. So question 1 says a carpenter uses 4 planks of oak measuring 2 meters, 1 meter, 3 meters, and 5 meters of 75 by 25 mils. So that's the dimensions of the wood. How much wood does he use in total? So here, what they're asking us to do is to look at adding these lengths. And so we've got for A, 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, and then we get our 11 meters, and we make sure we put the units on the end. So then for part 2, sorry, I wrote B, for question 2, we've got to renovate a house, a carpenter uses 4 lengths of pine that measure 2.5, 1.8, 3.3, and 15.2. How much wood does she use in total? So I'd like you to show me the working out for that so that then we can confirm that you get the right answer. We're going to do the exact same steps that we did just before. Question 3. A hardware store stocks 2,170 of 10 centimeter galvanized nails, 368 of 8 centimeter galvanized nails, and 723 various galvanized nails. How many nails do they have in stock in total? So again, we're doing our adding, and what they've tried to do is mess with our head a little. They want us to figure out how many nails there are in stock. So we have to only add the number of the nails, not the size of the nails. So we're going to have 2,170 plus 368 plus 723, and we'll get our answer in nails. Now, what we need to practice is to make sure that when we're doing our adding, we are putting our numbers underneath each other, and we're making sure that we are adding on the right hand side first, and that would equal 11, carrying over the 1 as a plus. Then we would add it together again, 13, 14, 15, 16, carry the 1 as a plus. Then that's 11, 12, carry the 1 as a plus, and 3. So it's really important when you're doing your working out that you can show these steps. That's much more important than the number. Then if we go to question 4, sorry, I wrote C, I meant 3. Over 4 weeks, a carpenter travels 282, 344, 489, and 111 kilometers respectively. How far has the carpenter traveled? So again, we're going to add them together, starting on the right hand column, making sure that we carry over our extra pieces, and then we'll get our answer and we'll put kilometers in at the bottom. When we move to question 5, we've been asked to consider that we have some pine, and this is how much they use: 32 meters, 47 meters, 57 meters, 59 meters. So I'd like you to show me the working out to be able to add that up and get 195 meters as your total. For question 6, we've got an apprentice carpenter who's gone shopping, 22 bucks for a hammer. They buy 4 screwdrivers for $16, and they buy a tape measure. Now just be super careful when you do this one, because we're going to buy the hammer, and then we've got a screwdriver, but we've got 4 of them, as well as a tape measure. So when you add up your numbers, you're going to have more there than just 3. For question 7, a carpenter uses 8 centimeter galvanized nails to complete the job. 86 are used on one job, 132 on another, and 97 on the last one. How many have been used in total? So again, I want you to show me